Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to turn on the Eberspächer heater, the bunk heater on a brand new 5th gen Freightliner Cascadia. So stay on board and let me show you. Now key out of ignition, truck is off, battery switch is on. Just press once on this display button, press one more time. So you see now you can select the temperature. Select the desired temperature, let's say 34. And just press it once again. Now you have this on and you have a 600 minutes timer. That's the maximum amount how much it allow you, to run the Webasto heater, this Eberspächer heater. Once you have this display, do not touch nothing. You have this knocking sound and you should start seeing some smoke starting up in a few minutes. So the heater just kicked in, you can see some hot air coming out and it started to make noise. At this point your heater in the cab is starting to work. We are back in the cab. This is the port where you're gonna get your Eberspächer Webasto heater hot air coming from, not through vents, not through somewhere else. This is the only port. And as you can see, the heater is on. It's gonna stay on for 596 minutes. So what it means, it started for me in like 4 minutes. So guys, take your time, wait until this heater will start. Don't push too many buttons because it's simple as that. Thank you for watching. I hope it helped. Make sure you leave a comment below if it helped for you. Thank you.